नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है फाइनेंस बाला चैनल पर। आज की इस वीडियो में हम CCS लीव ट्रैवल कंसेशन रूल से जुड़े कुछ बेहद महत्वपूर्ण और एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1. फॉर एन एम्प्लॉय टू बी एलिजिबल फॉर लीव ट्रैवल कंसेशन टू एनी प्लेस इन इंडिया, what is the minimum duration they must be expected to continue their service under the government? 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. Answer: D. 4 years. Solution is based on Rule 2. Question number 2. If an officer has availed of the LTC to visit any place in India before retirement for particular block of 4 years and is re-employed immediately without any break, when can the officer next avail of the LTC? Immediately upon re-employment. B. After 2 years of re-employment. C. At the start of the next calendar year. D. After the expiry of the current 4-year block. Answer: D. After the expiry of the current 4-year block. Solution is based on Subrule 3 of Rule 2. Question 3. According to the LTC rules, which of the following is considered a part of the government servant's family? A. 2 married children residing with the government servant. B. 2 surviving unmarried children wholly dependent on the government servant. C. Divorced sisters residing separately from the government servant. D. Married daughters who are not dependent on the government servant. Answer: B. 2 surviving unmarried children wholly dependent on the government servant. Solution is based on Rule 4, D. 1. Question 4. In the definition of family for LTC purposes, which of the following is not included? A. Divorced daughters residing with and wholly dependent on the government servant. B. Divorced or abandoned sisters with living parents. C. Parents residing with and wholly dependent on the government servant. D. Step-parents residing with and wholly dependent on the government servant. Answer: B. Divorced or abandoned sisters with living parents. Solution is based on Rule 4, D. Question number 5. Under LTC rules, the restriction of LTC benefits to only to surviving children does not apply in which of the following cases? Children born after 1st January 2000. B. Children born before or within 1 year of the restriction coming into force in 20th October 1997. C. Families with 3 children born after the restriction coming into force in 20th October 1997. D. Children born more than 2 years after the restriction date. Answer: B. Children born before or within 1 year of the restriction coming into force in 20th October 1997. Solution is based on Explanation 1 below Rule 4. Question number 6. For the purpose of LTC, a family member is deemed wholly dependent on the government servant if their income from all sources does not exceed A. Rupees 9,000 per month. B. Rupees 10,000 per month. C. Rupees 3,500 per month. D. Rupees 18,000 per month. Answer: A. Rupees 9,000 per month. Solution is based on Explanation 5 below Rule 4 read with pension rules. Question 7. How often is LTC to the hometown admissible for a government servant, irrespective of the distance? Once in a block of 4 calendar years, twice in a block of 2 calendar years, once in a block of 2 calendar years, annually. Answer: C. Once in a block of 2 calendar years. Solution is based on Rule 8. Question 8. Leave travel concession is admissible during only earned leave. B. Any period of leave, including casual leave and special casual leave. C. Any period of leave except casual leave. D. Only when leave is taken for personal reasons. Answer: B. any period of leave, including casual leave and special casual leave. Solution is based on Rule 7. Question 9. According to the LTC rules, the husband or wife of a government servant is considered a dependent if their income is less than rupees 3,500. B. Ineligible if they receive a pension. C. Automatically part of the family unit for LTC purposes, regardless of income. D. Only eligible if living with the government servant. Answer. C. Automatically part of the family unit for LTC purposes, regardless of income. Solution is based on Government of India Order 3 below Rule 4. Question 10. When can the newly married husband of a female government servant avail LTC under these rules? Only if the female government servant applies for LTC after marriage. B. If the marriage occurs during the female government servant's LTC to her hometown. C. If the husband is not employed and dependent on the female government servant. D. If the marriage is registered in the headquarters of the female government servant. Answer. B. If the marriage occurs during the female government servant's LTC to her hometown. Solution is based on Government of India Order 4 below Rule 4. Question number 11. Who is authorized to sanction LTC advance? A. The Controlling Officer. B. The Ministry of Finance. C. The Head of Office. D. The Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms. Answer. C. The Head of Office. Solution is based on Government of India Order 5 below Rule 4. Question 12. Which of the following statements is true under the LTC rules? A. LTC advance can be sanctioned only by the Ministry of Finance. B. The Head of Office has the power to sanction LTC advance. C. Reimbursement for disrupted routes must be approved by the Department of Personnel. D. The Controlling Officer can grant advance for LTC journeys. Answer. B. The Head of Office has the power to sanction LTC advance. Solution is based on Government of India Order number 5 below Rule 4. Question 13. The hometown declared by a government servant under LTC rules. A. Can be changed at any time during service. B. Is considered final once declared and accepted. C. Multiple hometowns can be declared. D. Can be changed once in a period of 4 years. Answer. B. Is considered final once declared and accepted. Solution is based on Rule 5. Question 14. Leave travel concession is admissible to a government servant if A. He has completed 6 months of service. B. He has been confirmed in post. C. He has completed 1 year's continuous service. D. He has completed probation. Answer. C. He has completed 1 year's continuous service. Solution is based on Rule 7. Question number 15. How often is LTC to the hometown admissible for a government servant, irrespective of the distance? A. Once in a block of 4 calendar years. B. Twice in a block of 2 calendar years. C. Once in a block of 2 calendar years. D. Annually. Answer. C. Once in a block of 2 calendar years. Solution is based on Rule 8. दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो उपयोगी लगी हो, तो इसे लाइक जरूर करें और ऐसी ही रूल बेस्ड एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड वीडियोस के लिए फाइनेंस बाला चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।